welcome to my channel High School Maths by Rajesh Reddy sir. So first of all, congratulations to you and successfully completed your primary classes, and now you started the high school level. So in this, the first chapter, let us know knowing our numbers. So which you have learned the previous, like natural numbers, which are starts from the 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, so on and so on. Whole numbers, which are starts from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, some integers where we have negative integers and positive integers. So like +1, +2, +3, so they are positive integers, and -1, -2, -3, they are negative integers, and rational numbers, which are in the form of p by q. Okay, so these are the numbers which you have already learned up to the 5th class level, and you have solved many problems based on this: additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions. Okay, theory problems, word problems. Okay, some calculations. Okay, based on these many problems you have been solved in different kind of topics. So now in this, the first beginning chapter is first chapter for us, knowing our numbers. In this chapter, once we will revise what we have completed in our previous chapters and previous classes. Okay, so first thing is knowing our numbers. So numbers are, like we know, small numbers and the bigger number, okay, and less number, greater number. Okay, let me comparing of the numbers also, like which is the smaller, which is the greater. Okay, and we have written from the small to big, nothing but ascending order, and big to small, that is what descending order. So we have written ascending order, descending order, to write the comparing of which is smaller, which is bigger. To know all these, we must know what is what, like what is the number, and how we can say that is a smaller, how we can say that is a bigger. So based on the their places. Okay, so what is the numbers? Let us see here, few numbers are given. From this, let us find the bigger number and the smaller number. Right, so here 483, so nothing but ones, tens, hundreds place, so 4 hundreds, 8 tens, 3 ones, so that 483. And here ones, tens, hundred, thousands, so here it is thousand, so 5649, and 7979, and one more 2837. So these are the 4 numbers. Even though many numbers are given, no problem, but before that, let me identify what is the place value. Highest place value is what? See here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, so thousand here, and ones, tens, hundred, thousand, so thousand here, so ones, tens, hundred. So first, what is the highest place value? 1000. So let us compare the thousands. So now in these two, one is a smaller and one is a greater number. So what is a greater number? First thousands, let us see. What is a greater number here? 5 in thousands place, 2 in thousands place. So generally we can say 5 is the greater number. So this is the greatest number. So like what is the greatest number? 5649. So 5649 is the greatest number. So that once we got the greatest number, let us go to the smallest number. What is the smallest number? Here hundreds we have, here thousands we have, here tens we have, ones and tens. So tens means this is a smaller number, 79. I hope you understand. 79 is the smallest number. Okay, so here easily you can able to find out what is the greatest number, what is the smallest number. I hope you can already write. So here 589, 62, and 8986, 8000. Okay, and here 490. So 589, 62, 8986, and 490. So that you can understand 8986 is the greatest number, and I hope you have noticed already. So the 62 is the smallest number. So 62 is the smallest number. So the greatest number and the smallest number, which are the numbers are given, and greatest number and the smallest number. And here after this we have one more, that is what? Use appropriate symbols. So appropriate symbols already you know what are the symbols we have learned already. Okay, greater than symbol, less than symbol, is equal symbol. So these three symbols you know very well. This symbol is called as greater than, and this is called as less than. Easy to remember. Here L symbol looks like L, so that we get L for less. So easy way to remember. This is called as less than. Automatically what do we call this? As greater than. So this is already we know very well. Is equal to, where it shows the equal. Where it shows the equal. Equal means okay, both the sides are equal, like in the LHS and RHS. See, few examples if we do, then we understand very well. So 3, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 9, 3, and second 4, 8, 9, and 3, 9, 3, and 5, 2, 6, 8, 7, 67, 67. See here, observe here, both the place values, let us check out, ones, tens, 100, 1000, okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, okay, so both of them are in thousands, no problem. When they are in thousands, we have to check out what is the highest value. Here what is the value? 3, here what is the value? 4, which is the highest one? 4, 4 is the greater than 3, so that what we can say, 3892 is less value, so smaller value, so it is less than 4693. If it is greater, then we have to use the greater symbol. If it is less, then we have to use the less than symbol. I hope you understand. It is a greater than this one, so that what do we write? 3892 is less than 4693. Okay, so let us please see the next problem. 489. So ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so hundreds is the highest place value, hundreds is the highest place value. See, observe here, both of them. Here hundreds place 4, hundreds place 3. So which is greater? You know very well, 4 is the greater. So automatically what do we say? 489 is greater than 393. So what is the greater than symbol? Yes. So 489 is greater than 393. So this is the greater than this one, isn't it? Right. So let us observe one more. So here you can say 52 and 68. Compare both of them. Which is greater? Very good. 68 is greater than the 52. So that 52 is smaller. So that 52 is less than 68. So finally one more observe here, 67, 67. 67, 67. Both of them are same. Same means nothing but equal. So that we can able to use the symbol as is equal to or equal to. So I hope you have understand. Right? 52 is less than 68. 67 is equal to 67. And here 3892 is less than symbol. 489 greater than symbol. So these are the symbols can be used comparing up the numbers which is greater than, which is the smaller than. So in this session I hope you understand how to find the greatest number, how to find the smallest number. Okay, right. So in the next session we will continue the remaining problems. Right. I hope you understand. So you can practice more problems, then you understand more and more. Right. Thank you. All the best.